Good morning. It's Wednesday, August 29th, about 10:15 in the morning, and we're in a new city. Well, actually, same city as last night. We got in late. This is Sydney, so we're gonna go explore Sydney a little bit. Our original plan was to do a bike tour, but because of the rain, the bike tour got shut down. So now we're gonna be on foot, and hopefully the free walking tour is still gonna be available for us to do.
Ibis are everywhere.
Wow, I've never seen an ibis in the city. That is an ibis. So this is Sydney's coat of arms, and it is in Sydney's named after Viscount Sydney, who was a sailor that sailed here in 1787, I guess. And we're in front of the town hall here. Beautiful town hall. This is the oldest cathedral in all of Australia. I think it's 1861. St. George Cathedral, I believe. And it's made from Sydney's yellow sandstone, like the town hall building. So anytime you see that sandstone, it's local yellow Sydney sandstone. There's Miriam. So where we're walking now is George Street, and I guess George Street is recently redone to have this tram here, so there's no traffic other than the tram and people walking, so it makes it a nice way to traverse through the city here, whether on foot or train. Gotta learn about the Queen. So apparently that is a Queen Victoria statue from Ireland, which she's not very popular with. And they are leasing her from Ireland because this is actually the Queen Victoria building.
Best dog friend. She adored this dog, and this dog.
It's a wishing well that talks, and it takes on the persona of Queen Victoria's dog Isla. You throw a coin in, it'll bark and say thank you. That's cool. I've never seen an umbrella. Yeah. What did you think of the umbrella dryer?
I like
Did it work?
a little bit.
Wow. Neo-classical revival
trying to
sound.
recreate these temples from antiquity, from ancient Greece, from ancient Rome. What we've taken a moment to look at all of this, we're going to slowly make our way down to the tunnels over this way. So yeah, up with the staircase, up with the dome. No longer a use of apparently there was a sentinel up there during the tradition of hockey.
You can't hear it now, but the clicking sound that you can cross the street is sampled by Billie Eilish and her brother Phineas to make the song Bad Guy, that top hit in 2020. Crazy. It's a very good ear for sampling. Hyde Park. Can you hear the sound now?
So keep your eyes out of the view for everyone. So 309 metres up to the top there.
309 to the top.
Tallest point here in Sydney. Now being the tallest point in Sydney does have its advantage. The Quarry wanted to make Sydney a nice place to live. So one of his first initiatives was to build a hospital. But he had a problem. He didn't have any money. And in fact, no one in Sydney had.
So the reason it's called the Rum Hospital is because it was built by convicts. Actually, Sydney was settled with a bunch of convicts who were laborers, and they paid the laborers with rum. They also drank the rum, which is why the hospital collapsed, I believe, 50-something years ago, and they had to rebuild it. So it's Australia coat of arms featuring the kangaroo and the emu. Both of those, which I hope to try and eat. I heard they're pretty good. But both those animals can't walk backwards, only forward, just like Australia. And did you know the Matrix is, I guess 1, 2, I don't know, maybe the third one, we're all shot here. And this is the fountain from the girl in the red dress scene. I did not know that the Matrix was shot here. It's the Australian flag. You can see that it has the Union Jack up in the corner because it was a former or colony of the UK. And then it has stars in the form of a cross, which I guess it's the only time you can see it is if you're in the southern hemisphere. So it's saying that they are a southern hemispheric nation. War Memorial. Where'd all the birds go? Somebody left the cage door open. So they represent about 60 birds that are no longer found here in the city due to urbanization, but they're not extinct. You go out to the Blue Mountains or the countryside and you can see them. Since you can't see them here, they have speakers playing their bird calls, so you can at least hear them. Bridge Street, the oldest street in Australia. That is the center point of Sydney. There you go. And then that's so cool because those are actually from the first fleet that brought the convicts here. It arrived here in 1787. So, actual cannon from that ship that was just recently restored. And I do get to try Kangaroo. So, let me try these. See how it tastes. I don't really notice a difference.
Between that and beef.
It's just like beef jerky.
Now, has anyone ever called it circular quay? I called it circular quay until I was 17, so even the locals say it, but maybe that's just me, maybe I'm just stupid, I don't know, but anyway. Oh, so circular quay, of course. Now, of course, we have a now we do run an I'm-free rocks tour every single evening right over here in front of this cottage called the Captain's Cottage, where those sort of skulls are there.
Look at this multi-van. It's got a snorkel on it.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. I would love a van like that. Opera House. Outside designed by Jan Olsten from Denmark. And it helps with the maritime history of Australia by incorporating seashells and sails design. Started 1959, wasn't completed totally until 14 years later. They originally thought it'd take 2 years and a lot less money, but they got it, and now it's cemented. Sydney is on the world map.
Francis Greenway had a design for a bridge over the harbour. Lots of people had designs, but not a single person really knew how to build a bridge this big until the 1900s.
So Miriam, what's this weather like?
This is unseasonably cold for Sydney. Last time I was here, it was August, and it was so much warmer then, and that's supposed to be their winter. Like, this is their spring going into summer, and it's colder now.
But didn't he say last week the weather was crazy different?
Last week, it was the equivalent of 90 degrees.
And now it's like 50.
Here. And then this few days, the winds from Antarctica came, and it's 50 degrees.
October 29, 2010, 15 years ago, I posted this on Facebook. It's about Australia. How wild is that? If I'm not meant to be here today, I don't know. What happened to the rest of the person? Have you ever seen that before anywhere? Twisted Sister?